All right, so this is how I got it to work for me. And when I say work for me, I mean that it gave me length data. And after I had ran the histogram, I actually got a histogram that looks like this. And it looks close to what I think they're wanting or what she's wanting. So the way that I got it to work for me on a Mac computer is after I downloaded the data set from Canvas, I went to Google Sheets. I went to File, Open, Upload, select from your device. I uploaded the male zebrafish links, right? And then once I uploaded it, I basically copied File, Open, and I opened a new one and I pasted the length and I named it length, right? So the only data I have is the length because I think the issue is when I originally did it, I had all of this data here, like the cohort to sex, the diet code, and because it wasn't separated out, I don't think it was giving me what I wanted. So just isolating the length. And then I went to File, Download, and I downloaded as a CSV current sheet. All right. And I had already previously went and set up my working directory. So I went to set working directory, choose directory, intro into stats, double click it. And then as you can see, my link is already there because I had saved it as a CSV there. I had already had opened. All right. So that's already there. And then I don't know, this is just the steps that I did to get it to work for me. But I went to open files, and then as you can see, here's that working document. And I choose length CSV import dataset. So when I imported that dataset, it gave me this. Now yours might be different, so you probably want to pay close attention to this part here and notice how it has the read underscore CSV and then it has length space period CSV. I think that's where I came into trouble. So once I imported it, this is how I entered it. So I went length underscore read underscore CSV length space period CSV close. And then when I ran it, this is what popped up. It was my data. Then I was like, okay, great. Finally, my data's in. Now I can do my histogram. Well, after trial and error, in order to do the histogram, I had to keep all of that good information in there where I was using, let me open it up here. Length underscore read underscore CSV period dot length CSV. All right. Then I went to hist data hashtag length. And what I did for that is here. I had to basically make the data be read underscore CSV quotation space dot CSV quotation. So basically I had to do the length space CSV thing twice because I had to code the data as this whole thing. And so when I coded this whole thing here as data, and I don't know why I did it down here instead of up here, but I did it down here and it just happened to work for me. And so then when I ran it as his data numeric or dollar sign length, it gave me my histogram when I ran it. I hope that works for you. I think the key is downloading it as a CSV, being cognizant of like this random space in between. And instead of doing read period CSV, try read underscore CSV. And separating the length away from everything else is what I did to get this histogram. I hope that helps y'all.